Welcome back. In part one, we talked about why businesses fail. They focus on ideas instead of problems. Now, I'm giving you the framework to make sure your business actually works. Before you spend a single dollar or another hour of your life, I want you to ask yourself 3 simple questions. These questions can save you months of frustration and thousands of dollars. First question, do people already pay for this problem? This is the most important validation step. You want to see evidence that a market already exists and that people value a solution enough to pay for it. If the answer is yes, that's a fantastic sign. It means you're not trying to convince people that the problem matters. They already know it does. You are simply offering them a better or different way to solve it. The hardest part of any business is creating a market from scratch. By finding a problem people are already paying for, you've already won half the battle. You're meeting them where they are. Second question, can I explain the value of this business in 1 sentence? Not 5 sentences, not a paragraph, 1. If you can't explain what you do simply, you don't understand it well enough yet. For example, this service saves busy people time, or this product makes a complicated task easy. If the value isn't crystal clear, your customers will be confused, and confused customers don't buy. Clarity is your greatest competitive advantage. When your message is simple, it's memorable. Take the time to refine your 1-sentence value proposition until it feels undeniable. Third question, can I realistically make my first sale within 30 days? This is about speed to market. A real business begins the moment someone gives you money. Until then, it's still just an idea on paper. Don't get stuck in the perfection trap. Designing logos and building complicated websites can feel like work, but they aren't sales. Your goal is to validate your idea with a real transaction as fast as possible. So here's your homework. Grab a notebook or open your phone. Write down 3 problems you hear people complain about all the time. Problems at work, with time, or with convenience. Then ask, who is already solving these? Opportunity lives where problems are being solved poorly or not at all. That's how you build something that actually works. If you found this series helpful, check out my next video on building the systems that make your business scalable. Thinking like an entrepreneur is about seeing the world through the lens of solutions. I'll see you in the next video.